This is the home page for our application Spyglass. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once you navigate to your dashboard, you'll be able to make a new research packet. Most people name them with the conventions their company already uses, so it tracks with their original records. You can select your town, what documents you wish to collect, and then enter the address or the plat and lot of the property you wish to research. From here, this is where the magic happens.
Alright, so while Alex's job is running, I'll tell you a little bit about how the public records research process is currently done. A researcher will start the process with the address for a property their company has been hired to work on. The researcher begins by entering the address into the town's individualized GIS system. When they find the property in GIS, they gather pertinent information about the property, like the most recent deed. This allows the researcher to go into that same town's online public records database, maintained completely separately from the GIS system, and use the GIS information to pull up the deed or deeds for that property. From the deed, the researcher finds information about prior deeds and, hopefully, plans. Oh, and by the way, we do all of these steps for the locus and abutting properties for a given job, all in under 5 minutes, something that would take a skilled researcher about 2 hours to do.
Here we are in our packet now that it's completed. You'll see we collect the FEMA records as well as the property card, tax assessor's map, and deeds. We're just going to go take a peek at those and see what some of them look like. Now, as you can tell, this is the deed to my house. It has the basic information in it, the lot number where it exists on the plat, and the name of that plat. This is the information that you would have to otherwise manually look up. If we go down, we have that plat along with a bunch of other documents that we collected. We'll be able to go in, map it up with the plat listed in the deed, and you'll see right there on the corner is our guy. What you're going to see right now is a piece of information that's unique to our Rhode Island customers. These are permits that Rhode Island publishes on what would be a third website the researcher would have to go. Tax assessor's maps, though not dimensionally accurate, are just another tool in the tool belt of a surveyor that they can use to build their portfolio of evidence before they go out and do a job. Here we've found our 171. And if you go back and look at our packet, you'll notice that we collect this information for not just the 171 property, but 172 and 170 as well, which are the abutting properties. From here, you can download all of this information into a nice organized zip file to store for your own records or to analyze further and print out. Once that's all said and done, you can go back to your dashboard and look and see where this job is relative to other jobs you may have done in the past, making it easy to cross-reference. Thank you very much for your time.